Welcome to this tutorial on tips for CyberScout mobile app. CyberScout is a powerful tool designed to help you protect your identity and sensitive information from cyber threats. In this guide, we will walk you through the key features and best practices to get the most out of the app. First, let's start with the basics. The CyberScout app is available for both Android and iOS devices and can be downloaded from the respective app stores. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, you will need to create an account and set up your profile. This will include providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. One of the most important features of the CyberScout app is its ability to monitor your credit reports and alert you to any suspicious activity. To take advantage of this feature, you will need to link your credit accounts to the app. This can be done by logging in to your credit account and following the prompts to connect it to the app. Another key feature of the CyberScout app is its identity theft protection. This includes features such as dark web monitoring, which scans the dark web for any instances of your personal information being bought or sold. The app will also alert you to any phishing scams or other types of cyber threats that may be targeting you. To get the most out of the CyberScout app, it's essential to stay on top of your account activity. This includes regularly checking your credit reports, monitoring your account alerts, and taking action if you notice any suspicious activity. You should also make sure to keep your app and device up to date, as this will ensure you have the latest security patches and features. In terms of best practices, it's essential to use strong and unique passwords for all of your accounts, including the CyberScout app. You should also enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, as this will add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Finally, if you do experience any issues or concerns with the CyberScout app, you can contact their customer support team for assistance. They are available 24/7 and can help you with everything from setting up your account to resolving any identity theft issues. In conclusion, the CyberScout mobile app is a powerful tool for protecting your identity and sensitive information from cyber threats. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of the app and stay safe online. Remember to stay vigilant, keep your app and device up to date, and always use strong and unique passwords to protect your accounts.